Hi learners, today's lesson is about singular to plural. A mouse, plural, mice. Next, a fish, plural, fish. A fish, plural, fishes. Next, an ox, plural, oxen. Next, a penguin. It is for you. Please send the right answer in the comment box. Thank you watching for this video. Thanks all of you. Here notice that fish, one type of fish, is plural form fish, but many types of fish is plural form fishes. Thanks.